Right, what's up, traders? Welcome. We've got the live stream here. I just want to walk through a edgeful orb. I had a great day today, back on the desk. So it's been a minute. I have been streaming off my laptop. I'm finally back in my office, as you can see in the background. But finally, I wanted to speak a little bit about my trades here today. So you can see back on the desk here, Monday, 5th of May, I made $1,500. Really the edgeful longs are reports getting these longs on the US 500 chart to help pay off. So I want to speak a little bit about this. You can check edgeful out in the link in my bio. So go to my Twitter if you're watching this on Twitter or YouTube. Go check it out. The link in my bio. You can get a free trial if you have not done so already. But really nice longs. And I want to speak about it. I mean, I almost had a near perfect entry today, which was really neat. But you can see I'm using those orb reports with edgeful to make money. We get the opening range low over here, and we get the opening range high here. We did have 10 a.m. high impact news, so keep that in mind. I waited until that 10 a.m. high impact news had actually finished until getting longs. So basically, we're trading in this range. We dropped down overnight. This is the 1 minute time frame on the US 500. We dropped down over the night, and we are trading underneath this extended market hours VWAP, which I didn't like for the longs, but I stay patient. We get the news that comes out that shoves us higher, okay, and we take out that opening range high. This is where I'm talking about using this opening range in conjunction with the New York VWAP and edgeful reports in order to make money. So we know that if we take out the opening range high, I want to stay long bias. If we take out the opening range low, I want to stay short bias. You can get these indicators as well with edgeful over here. If you have an edgeful membership, you can just get them on the right-hand side here. Trading view indicator access. Okay, so we're above the New York VWAP and above opening range high. That tells me that I want to stay long bias. If we go to the orb report with ES, so let's go to the ES and let's go to the orb report. Okay, let's go to the orb report with ES. You can actually see that by let's go like this. So we got the orb opening range breakout. Okay, and then we do have the I think it's by size. Let's have a look like this. No, by levels. There we go. Okay, so we can see that 60, and I tweeted about this earlier today. We can see that 60% and 61% of the time, if we break out of the opening range high low, we're actually going to move 0.5 of that opening range high. So what I mean by that is if we take out the high of the orb, okay, we can measure today's orb was 12 points, 13 points. So we know that on average, if we break out the highs, we're going to, on 60% of the time, we're going to go 7 points, which is what we get over there. And that's basically how I'm using it to look for levels and probabilities. But I'm looking at this orb, okay, opening range first 15 minutes. If we're above the orb and above New York VWAP, I'm looking for longs. Below orb and below New York VWAP, I'm looking for shorts. We get the lovely longs into today. Very neat. Go check edgeful out. Link in my bio for free trials. But that was my day here today. Monday, 5th of May. Very neat, simple trading price action. So I hope that you guys enjoyed, and we will see you on the next one. And if you have any questions, just before I leave, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm always here doing my daily report cards. I'm always showing authenticity in my trading, win or lose. So yeah, it was a little bit of an up and down April. I took some nice payouts with FTMO, Hydra, looking to scale up now. And I appreciate you guys following my journey online. Again, I did also post my vlog series on YouTube as well as on Twitter now too. So go check that out. Appreciate you guys. Check edgeful out, and we'll see you on the next one.